Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to log in and log out to your Twitter account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Now, let's get started. Open your Twitter app. Here I go. At the bottom, you can see login. Tap on that. Now, enter your phone number, email or a username. Here I will be using my email address. After you are done, you can tap on next on that blue icon. Now you have to enter your Twitter account password. After you are done, you can tap on login on that blue icon. You can see that I have easily logged into my Twitter account. Now I will be showing you how to log out from your Twitter account. This is also very easy process. You have to go on your profile, tap on the top left corner. Here you can see different options. Go to the settings and privacy, which is at the bottom. Tap on that. Now tap on your account. Now tap on account information. Here you can see at the bottom logout option with that red icon. Tap on that. Tap on logout if you want to log out. Here I will be logging out, so I will be tapping on logout. In this way, you can easily log in and log out to your Twitter account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.